Make a great choice today with the 2016 Q70L. The luxurious INFINITI Q70L offers plush interior accommodations and a spacious interior cabin. Passengers of the Q70L will feel like they're riding first class all the way. Enhanced agility and safety protection features fill this luxury sedan and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, power steering, one owner, heated rear seats, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.